In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert both page and section breaks in your documents, whether you're working to separate content neatly across pages or looking to add unique formatting within the same file. By mastering these breaks, you'll have control over the flow and layout of your documents, which is especially useful when crafting reports, essays, or presentations. Let's start by talking about page breaks. Sometimes when you're working on a lengthy document, you may want to start a fresh page. Perhaps to begin a new chapter or section, or maybe you just need a clean break for better organization. This is where page breaks come in handy. A page break essentially moves the text after the cursor position to the start of the next page. To insert a page break, first, place your cursor at the precise location where you want the break to occur. Once your cursor is in position, head up to the menu bar and click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, navigate to Break, and from the next set of options, select Page Break. Voila! Just like that, the text following your cursor pops right over to begin on a new page. If you're a fan of shortcuts and want to carry out this action a bit faster, you can simply press Ctrl and Enter at the same time if you're using Windows or Chrome OS. For those on a Mac, just swap Ctrl for Command while keeping Enter in the combination, achieving the same result. To give you a quick example, let's imagine page 1 contains a chapter about the history of page breaks. As soon as you insert the page break after that chapter, the content for page 2, perhaps diving into modern applications, automatically aligns itself to the top of the next page, ensuring everything is neatly divided. Now, moving on to section breaks. These are particularly useful when you want to apply different layouts or headers and footers within the same document. For instance, if you desire a section in portrait layout followed by one in landscape, section breaks are your answer. Here's how to execute this. Begin by placing your cursor where you want the new section to start. Navigate once again to the Insert menu. Under Break, you have a couple of choices. If you choose Section Break, next page, the new section will commence on the following page. Alternatively, selecting Section Break Continuous keeps the new section on the same page, allowing for immediate formatting changes without shifting to another page. As an illustration, consider having section 1 as an introduction, complete with its own header and footer. By inserting a section break, you seamlessly transition into section 2, permitting alterations such as a distinct header layout without disturbance to the prior section's design. Mastering these breaks gives your document a polished professional appearance while maintaining essential distinctions and customizations tailored to your needs. By incorporating these tips, not only will your documents look better, but they'll also reflect a clear, thought-out structure that enhances readability and coherence.